Finding the best gaming TV can be a pain. There are so many options on the market, and it's hard to tell which one will be best for you and your needs. Well, in this video, we break down the top 5 gaming TVs on the market this year based on price versus performance and situations they'll be used in. So whether you're looking for an affordable gaming TV or the best gaming TV money can buy, we'll have the perfect option for you. So if you're interested in finding out which gaming TV will be best for you, stay tuned. All the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. The products mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so be sure to stay tuned till the end so you don't miss anything. First up, the Sony BRAVIA XR X90J, our pick for best LED gaming TV. The Sony BRAVIA XR X90J offers nearly everything you might want from a mid-range 4K TV, including HDMI 2.1 for next-gen gaming. For the money, there are few TVs that can match it in terms of picture quality and feature set, making it the top in its class. This 65-inch uses XR Triluminos Pro display technology and 4K resolution with full-array local dimming. Its cognitive processor XR chip delivers intense contrast with deep blacks, high peak brightness, and natural colors, while the backlighting brings out depth and detail in everything you watch. But if you prefer an OLED screen over LED, have a look at the LG C1 series coming up later in the video. The quality continues with the audio system too, featuring Sony's acoustic multi-audio that uses tweeters built into the sides of the TV that elevate the soundstage, enabling sound to follow the action for a truly immersive experience. If you're into gaming, the X90J brings the heat with support for next-gen consoles like the PlayStation 5 and Xbox Series XS. You'll get the most out of next-gen gaming with this HDMI 2.1 enabled TV, featuring 4K 120Hz and BRAVIA game mode for increased frame rate and reduced input lag. Google TV is also part of the package, letting you browse thousands of movies and TV episodes from all your favorite streaming services all in one place. You'll get even more with BRAVIA Core, Sony's own video streaming service that pulls from the Sony Pictures library to provide both new releases and older movie classics. The X90J also works with Alexa and Google Assistant to give you an easier way to find your favorite media, get answers on screen, control smart home devices, and more. With support for HDMI 2.1, the Sony BRAVIA XR X90J is a great choice for a gaming TV. Add to that a stunning 4K picture, consolidated streaming services, and voice command support, and you have a winning combination that's perfect for all your entertainment needs. Next up, the LG OLED C1 series, our pick for best OLED gaming TV. With a gorgeous OLED panel, support for next-gen gaming, and slim styling, the LG C1 series is hard to beat. The 65-inch C1 OLED series brings movies, TV, and games to life through 8 million self-emissive pixels that produce a picture with perfect black levels and HDR support that brings out vibrant color and infinite contrast for an amazing viewing experience. The Alpha 9 Gen 4 processor makes use of deep learning algorithms to make whatever you're watching look and sound the best it can be, and WebOS is in place to manage all of your content, including Netflix, Prime Video, Apple TV+, Disney+, and more. When it comes to gaming, the C1 series shines. FreeSync and G-Sync are supported, as is 120Hz variable refresh rate at 4K, and input lag is less than 10 milliseconds. 4 HDMI 2.1 ports add support for next-gen gaming consoles, and to top it all off, an integrated game optimizer offers all new tweaks, including 4 game genre modes: Standard, an FPS mode that boosts shadow detail, an RPG mode that boosts contrast, and RTS mode that enhances mid-grayscale areas. There are also sliders for adjusting dark and light areas, as well as an OLED Motion Pro setting. The Magic Remote includes dedicated buttons for Google Assistant and Alexa, so you have the option to use voice commands to control the TV and any smart devices you may have. And the Magic Tap feature connects your phone with the TV for bi-directional screen mirroring. If you're looking for an OLED TV that's ideal for gaming, the LG C1 series would be an excellent choice. You'll get amazing picture quality, an easy-to-use OS platform, and support for next-gen gaming. Next up, the TCL 6 Series QLED Roku Smart TV. The TCL 6 Series QLED Roku Smart TV is a great budget 4K smart TV that's paired up with Roku OS for an easy-to-use entertainment and gaming experience without the high cost. The 6 Series is built using quantum dot and mini LED technology that actually produces higher peak brightness than an OLED display and can achieve deep blacks for excellent contrast levels. Dolby Vision HDR supports 12-bit color depth that's rich and vibrant and provides 94.6% coverage of the DCI-P3 color gamut. Image upscaling is handled by the 6 Series AIPQ engine that uses machine learning algorithms to optimize color, contrast, and overall clarity. Specialized gaming features are tuned to give you a competitive edge and include THX-certified game mode that delivers the rapid responsiveness that makes fast-action games look great, Response time and input lag are good, and variable refresh rates up to 120Hz at 1080p and 1440p are supported. Connectivity options include 4 HDMI 2.0 ports with HDCP 2.2, but there's no support for HDMI 2.1 and next-gen consoles. If you're looking for a TV with HDMI 2.1 support, the Sony BRAVIA XR-X90J that we've already looked at offers it at a slightly higher cost, as does the LG OLED C1 series at a much higher price, but includes an OLED screen. Another OLED option with next-gen gaming support is the Samsung QN90A, coming up next in the video. Roku TV is one of the easiest OS platforms to use, and will give you access to your cable box, streaming channels, Blu-ray player, and gaming console, all without having to deep dive into menus or switch inputs. It comes with a simple remote that puts you in control of all the functions, as well as providing support for voice commands through Alexa or Google Assistant to find movies and TV shows, change channels, or select inputs. If you're looking for great value, the TCL 6 series is a great choice. While there's no support for HDMI 2.1, gaming is still well supported, and if next-gen gaming support is a must-have, there are other comparable options on this list. If you're interested in updated pricing on any of the items mentioned in this video, be sure to check out the links below. Prices update on these products almost daily with sales and general price drops, so if you want to find the most updated information, check the description. If you find this video helpful, please help out the channel by giving this video a like and tell us which product caught your eye in the comments below. If you find this video helpful, please help out the channel by giving this video a like and tell us which product caught your eye in the comments below. Next up, the Samsung QN90A, our pick for best QLED gaming TV. The Samsung QN90A is thin, bright, and bold, offering excellent color and fantastic contrast, with support for next-gen gaming consoles that make it an appealing choice. This 65-inch QLED 4K TV uses mini LED technology that's focused to produce a picture with high brightness levels and deep, rich color, with dimming in all the right areas. At the core of the QN90A is Samsung's Neo-Quantum processor that uses a neural network to analyze images for better upscaling. Motion Accelerator Turbo Plus delivers better motion handling up to 120Hz at 4K resolution, and Quantum HDR 24X is in place to produce vivid color that pops. With variable refresh and HDMI 2.1 support, the QN90A is built for next-gen gaming, and a game bar feature displays important data like current FPS and refresh rate. And for an ultra-wide gaming experience, you can instantly transform the screen aspect ratio from the standard 16:9 to 32:9 for excellent immersion. For other options with HDMI 2.1 support, you may want to go back and look at the Sony BRAVIA XR-X90J and the LG OLED C1 series. The Tizen OS user interface is clean and intuitive, and includes support for Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, Disney Plus, and Hulu. Or if you want to play your own content, screencasting is available that will let you share content from an external device to the QN90A. All content is displayed on the home screen, with frequently used apps and sources overlaid along the bottom of the screen, and TV and streaming channels are added with Samsung's TV Plus app. You can even go hands-free and use the built-in Alexa digital assistant to open apps, change the channel, search, control smart home devices, and more. If you're looking for one of the best 4K QLED TVs for gaming, the Samsung QN90A is a great choice. With an intuitive OS and next-gen gaming support, you'll be set up for a premium QLED gaming experience that you're sure to enjoy. Last but not least, the Hisense Class H8G Quantum Series ULED Smart TV, our pick for best budget gaming TV. The Hisense Class H8G Quantum Series ULED Smart TV is a good budget option that does a lot for the price. You'll enjoy a bright, colorful display that's great for gaming, with support for HDR and Dolby Atmos, as well as good response time and low input lag. This 55-inch TV features a sleek design, and its HD video performance is pretty good overall, but switching to 4K will bring out an unexpected level of quality. The Dolby Vision HDR makes color stand out, and while the screen refresh tops out at just 60Hz, motion rate 240 on this set improves overall smoothness for gaming, while the Quantum Dot panel produces good contrast ratio and local dimming that performs well and produces sufficient brightness to make it suitable for most lighting conditions. This TV has a pretty fast response time, which is perfect for gaming, and input lag is at around 11 milliseconds. There's no support for HDMI 2.1, but there are 3 HDMI 2.0 ports, along with 2 USB ports and more inputs on the back panel. Another price-related omission is the lack of auto low latency mode, so when you want to play a game, you'll have to switch inputs manually. There are a few TVs on this list that offer better gaming features, but each come at a higher price point than the H8G Quantum series. This TV runs on Android 9.0, which means you'll have a huge choice of apps to use, and it integrates well with Alexa or Google Assistant for operating the TV using voice commands. If you're shopping for a gaming TV on a budget, the Hisense H8G Quantum series is a good choice for the price. It has great picture quality in both HD and 4K, and has some good gaming features that will improve your overall experience. Like the video if you found it helpful, check the links in the description below for the most up-to-date pricing on all products mentioned, and subscribe if you're new to the channel and want to keep up to date with the latest and greatest in the world of tech. Till next time, I'll see you guys later.